In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam pausing downloads. It can be frustrating when you're eagerly waiting for a game to download, only to find that the process has paused unexpectedly. So let's dive into the steps to solve this issue and get your downloads back on track. First, a straightforward solution can sometimes be the most effective. Restarting Steam might seem too simple, but it's a quick first step that can resolve minor hiccups. Simply close the application and reopen it. If the issue persists, don't worry, we have more steps to go through. Now let's move on to checking the Task Manager. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the menu. Once it opens, find Steam in the list of processes. This will help us ensure that the app isn't running multiple instances or getting stuck due to another background process. Next, right-click on the Steam process and select End Task. This will fully close all Steam elements that might still be running. Ending the task gives Steam a clean slate to start again, potentially solving download issues without much hassle. Once you've ended the task, it's time to reopen Steam, but with a twist. Use the desktop search bar to find Steam again. Instead of just clicking to open it, right-click the icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running the application with administrator privileges can help prevent any permissions issues that might be causing downloads to stall. Once you're back in Steam, log into your account and navigate to the Steam menu in the top left corner. From there, click on Settings. This allows us to access the download settings, where we can make a few tweaks to optimize the download process. Go to Downloads, and here you can change your download region. Sometimes selecting a different server location can lead to faster, uninterrupted downloads, as some regions might be experiencing heavy traffic. In the same downloads section, you'll find the option to clear the download cache. This action can remove any temporary files that might be conflicting with new downloads, often resolving persistent download interruptions. Additionally, ensure that allow downloads during gameplay is enabled if you want to download while playing another game. This can keep your downloads constant even when you're busy gaming. Furthermore, consider setting up a schedule for updates to avoid conflicts with your internet usage during busy times. This way, Steam manages your downloads when you're less likely to experience interrupted connectivity. If after all these steps Steam still pauses downloads, try restarting both your PC and internet connection. Sometimes refreshing your hardware is all you need to resolve stubborn tech problems. And there you have it. We hope these steps help you enjoy smooth and uninterrupted downloads on Steam. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.